Hello and welcome, I'm Tom Chilton. I am British and World Touring Car Independent Driver Champion. I'm currently here at MaXpeedingRods workshop. How cool is this, everybody? I'm in partnership with MaXpeedingRods in the British Touring Car Championship, and I want to start off talking about this turbo. Everybody who loves racing loves power, so this is the perfect place to start, is with their Sports Performance Turbo, which is right up my street as a racing driver because this produces up to 850 horsepower. It's beautiful, look at this, beautiful CNC aluminium blades, beautiful machining. Inside here, this is where it's all cooled, water cooled, very important, we don't want it getting too hot. Now this one is very special because inside here, this is a special stainless steel metal which can take up to 1050 degrees. So you can run 850 horsepower all day long on the racetrack. But if you're not me, you can get a street turbo which still produces 600 horsepower, which on the back, instead of made out of stainless steel, is actually made out of a high alloy nickel, which can still run up to 850 degrees and still gives you 600 horsepower. And that is the MaXpeedingRods Turbo.